Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video I'm walking you through on how to make a spot buy, spot trading on LBank exchange. And for spot trading on LBank exchange, before I get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, click on the subscribe button now, like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much. Let's get started. And for spot trading, actually, there are a lot of skills involved. Either you are very good at fundamentals, trying to find the right coin to pump, or the right coin that have a strong fundamental that will actually do well in the future. And you can do that probably doing your own research, personal research, or probably engaging in some skill signal group that tell you the coin to buy on spot, the coin to invest in, for a long time, or to hold it for some period of time. And if you don't have that, maybe you have some friends that are into trading or crypto, or probably you also engage in one or two airdrops and the likes. So either way, so in one word or in summary, is that you must have a source of information. Either is what you do yourself based on research, or you get it from someone that tells you buy this coin, buy this coin, buy this coin. So let's get started. So for you to actually buy spot here, there are different ways. You can actually pen it at a particular price. Maybe whenever price reaches this point, you should activate this order for you and continue to go up. Why the other option is probably just make a market execution instantly, and the market you should buy at that particular price point. And for you to know which type of coin to buy, like I said, do your own research. You can go to coin market cap, and you see a lot of coins, read about it, or go to Twitter, check out their handle, check out their how they engage with community, check out what the coin is actually useful for. So let's get started. In this video, I'll be using SRP just like in the previous one. So let's use SRP, or should I use another coin? SRP is fine. So I'll be using SRP in this video. Spot buy. Don't forget we are buying. So if you are buying, first option is what? Using market execution. Just choose market, and then if you are using the whole value you have in your account, like I said, I've funded a small amount for this video. So if you are using the whole value, then you drag it off. If not, you can input the amount you want to use here. So market execution instantly, now you are buying at the current market price, and the market is going to execute that for you. Do you understand? And another option is limit. So limit is basically you are pending. Do you understand? So but let's see if this limit here is going to work. So basically, let's assume maybe I don't want to buy the current market price. I want, once price reaches 0. Maybe 45 or 0.42 or something, or 0.4 or anything lower, that is when I want to enter the trade. Then I'm going to click on limit and then change this primary 0.42. Let me use 0.42. Maybe I'm using the whole of everything. I will drag it there and then buy. But don't forget, just buy one. So I need to sell it back. So that I can have funds to buy that. So limit 0.42. Once price reaches 0.42, I want to engage in it. So this one is more like a pending order, pending the order. Sorry, that didn't went through. Let's try it again. If that didn't go through actually, so I'm going to probably just go back a bit, but it doesn't take longer to this. My network is fine, so let me just go back. Okay, network delay or something, update log. Don't worry, let me just click it, go back. So let's just go straight to the point without wasting our time. So buy. So I'm using 0.42 100%. So can you see the order is submitted? You can see pending order here. So whenever price reaches this point, it's going to pick up my order and activate it, and then that is that. And the other option for me to use trigger to pend my uh I can use it to pend for my entry. I'm using 0.42 0.42. I will repeat the same thing, 0.42 100%, and then buy. So you can still see it here, the order is being pent here. So you can use either of the two. So whenever price reaches this point, is going to what activate my order even when I'm not there, and the price is going to what move up from there. So you can either use limit to pen your price, or you can either use trigger to pen your trade. But if you want an instant market execution, I want to enter the trade at the current market price, you can what just buy, change it to market 100% and click on buy. But there's some other strategy like DCI, that's a dollar cost averaging. When you buy at lower, when you buy, let's assume you have $100, and maybe you are the first buy, you buy $20. Maybe whenever market dips lower, you buy another $20. It dips lower, buy another $20. Like at different level, you keep buying with that same amount instead of you just buying the whole $100 at once. So that's what they call dollar cost averaging. So you can use that strategy, buying smaller amounts even with the same capital instead of you buying at once. It all depends. Especially that one works very well during the bear market, and also even the bull market also works whenever you feel that this is not the right time for the come to pump and the likes. So it all depends on you and which strategy you want to use. But this is just basically how to buy, how to engage and start the spot trading. So the first thing, just like deposit. Once you deposit into the exchange, then you have to know the coin you want to buy. Maybe you had the rumor or someone told you to do that, or you did your own research through coin markets cap. Do you understand? So let's continue. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends. And have a wonderful day. Bye. One love.